Hello everyone. So ngayon na pag-uusapan naman natin is how do you withdraw your funds sa VT Markets. So ngayon, all you need to do is just log into your account sa website ng VT Markets, click login, and then you will arrive in your homepage dito sa VT. So ngayon, what I want you to do is just navigate dun sa left side and click mo lang tong funds. Then merong drop down dyan and just click on withdraw funds, right? And dito guys, papipiliin ka niya kung ano yung account na gusto mong i-withdraw, right? So let's say for example, ayan may drop down din yan. Pero ang pipiliin ko, itong 1601 since dito ako magwi-withdraw, ito yung i-withdrawin ko. And just type in your withdrawal amount. So let's say for example, $50. Or sige, buuin na natin. Ngayon guys, merong minimum withdrawal with VT. So $40 yung minimum natin. And just hit continue. Alright, so antayin lang natin. And once na napindot mo yung continue, just click on add withdrawal method. And kung gusto nyo GCash guys, ako highly recommend GCash kasi wala pang 10 seconds na receive mo na yung withdrawal mo. So just click on Philippine Bank Transfer kung gusto nyo ng GCash. And then, eto guys, nakasave na kasi yung account ko, no? So, let's say for example, add bank account kasi yun yung makikita nyo. And then, dito, sa bank name, just click on which bank yung gusto nyong transferan ng funds nyo. So, in this way, sa akin, GCash. And then, sa bank branch, guys, lagay nyo lang dyan online, lalo na kung mga e-wallets. Right? So, lagay ko lang din yung number ko. Alright? And that's it guys, no? Just click on remember my account para next time na mag-withdraw ka with GCash, nakasave na yan pag kinlik mo yung GCash bank. Then, click mo din to, yung tick box dito, I've read and agree to the withdraw policy. And then just click on submit your withdrawal. And that's it, no? So, mabilis lang yan.